In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact StreamYard support. If you ever get stuck with billing, login, or a technical hiccup, reaching the support team through the official request form is the fastest, most reliable way to get help. I'll walk you through opening the request page, selecting the right options, filling out the form clearly, submitting it, and watching for the reply. Start by going to the Submit a StreamYard Support Request page. If you're already signed in, you can get there from your account by clicking Profile in the top right, choosing My Support Tickets, and then selecting Submit a Request. That takes you straight to the official form. Using this route helps tie your ticket to your account, which can speed things up. On the form, begin by choosing your issue type. This tells StreamYard where to send your ticket so it reaches the right specialists. Next, select a category. For example, you might choose billing, login, or technical issue. Pick the option that best matches what you're experiencing. When in doubt, choose the closest fit. Support can always adjust it on their end, but a good initial match helps reduce back and forth. Now fill in the form. Enter your name and your email address. Then describe your message or problem details. Be specific and concise. Explain what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. Include any exact error messages, the date and approximate time the issue occurred, how often it happens, and any recent changes you made just before the problem started. If the issue involves a particular broadcast or destination, mention its title or link so the team can locate it quickly. Use the same email that's associated with your StreamYard account whenever possible. That helps support find your plan and settings. And for your security, never include sensitive information like passwords or full payment details in your message. When everything looks accurate, click Submit. After submitting, you should see a confirmation on screen. If the form doesn't send, double-check that all required fields are complete, then try again once your internet connection is stable. It can be helpful to note any ticket number you're shown for future reference. Finally, check your email. You'll receive a reply with instructions or follow-up questions. Keep an eye on your inbox and your spam or junk folder, especially if it's your first time contacting support. Reply directly to their email to keep everything in one thread. That's all there is to it. Open the support page, choose the right options, share clear details, submit, and watch your email for help.